Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken Pro in Canada. Kraken Pro provides a robust platform for experienced traders, offering advanced charting tools and various order types. You can access a diverse selection of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. We will guide you through the essential steps to get started, from funding your account to executing trades and managing your portfolio effectively. This will help you navigate the platform with confidence. Funding your Kraken Pro account in Canada is straightforward. You can deposit Canadian dollars using several convenient methods. Interac e-transfer is a widely used option, typically processing within minutes to a few hours, allowing you to start trading quickly. For larger amounts, wire transfers are available, though they may take 1 to 3 business days to clear. Always ensure your bank account details match your Kraken Pro verified information to avoid delays. Once your account is funded, you can begin executing trades on Kraken Pro. The platform offers a variety of order types to suit your strategy, including market orders for immediate execution and limit orders for precise price control. You can also set stop-loss orders to manage risk effectively. Trading fees are competitive, often starting as low as 0.16% for makers and 0.26% for takers, decreasing with higher trading volumes. Withdrawing your funds from Kraken Pro in Canada is just as simple as depositing. You can easily transfer Canadian dollars back to your linked bank account. Interac e-transfer is a popular choice for withdrawals, often processed within minutes to a few hours, providing quick access to your funds. For larger sums, wire transfers are an option, typically taking 1 to 3 business days. Always verify your banking information before initiating any withdrawal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.